Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. We have an unboxing. Anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continued love and support. And let's get into this unboxing. Okay everybody, so without any further ado, let me open this box. The other section has my address, so that's why I'm opening it. Probably this is the bottom down, so let's get this. I think I opened it. Okay. Okay. As you can see, it's a black box. From the bottom of this box. So this is a fashion file box. I didn't open it the other way that it's supposed to be opened because my address is on that side. So let's just get what I ordered out of this box. Okay. Whew, excuse me. Okay, so you got all of the paper tissue and everything. So let me move this out the way and get to the main reason for this unboxing. So this item, I saw it and it was such a great price, so I couldn't not buy it. But I'm not 100% if I'm going to keep it. So let's see. 3, 2, 1. So it doesn't come with its original dust bag, but you guys see it? You guys see the beauty? So this one is the Louis Vuitton Papillon trunk. And this is I think the LV match collection. So we know like the Papillon trunk usually have the brown leather lining. So this one is with the match collection that came out. LV had did one, I think it was during the summer. It was like, I'm not sure how many seasons ago this came out, but it's recent though. I think within a year or so. So this is with the tennis, because they did a match thing with the tennis. So this is the one that they did for the Papillon trunk. And as you can see right here, it has the white instead of the brown. I don't have any bag that's white in my collection, so this was the reason why I was like, let me kind of play a little bit with a white and see if it's gonna work. So with the strap, it's actually kind of reversible. So usually with the Papillon trunk, the inside is brown and then the outside has the monogram strap, where this is reversed. So this have the white outside and then it has the monogram on the inside right here, as you can see. So this is the crossbody strap. So when I did order this, it did not come with the chain, because the Papillon trunk do have the chain strap. I guess the person that sold it did not want to sell the chain strap, so they kept the chain. But I'm just looking around because it did say that it was in excellent condition. And I am so scared of white, so I was like, okay, well, let me order it and see if I really like it, because this was such a great price. And for it being in excellent condition, I was like, you know what though, if I don't like it, I'll return it within, because you know, Fashion File now have a 14-day policy where you need to return it back within 14 days. So, and that includes when they ship it, which is so ridiculous, because this I think took like 5 or 6 days for it to get to me. And this came from the Fashion File in New York, so that's really not that great. So it does still have, it looked like it still got the sticker on here. Okay, it does, but on the bottom it doesn't have the sticker. It does have a little bit of scratching on here, which is it's expected with this type of bag. And then you have the inside right here, which is the white leather lining. I'm just looking to see if there's any damages. Let's see. So the white look a little bit dull, but maybe that's how it's supposed to be. And I love the fact, because I think I've seen like some reviews about this bag, and I just think it's so unique. And I love the cylinder type of shape. I think it brings a little bit more of an interesting fact of this bag. So I know this bag right now, if you wanted to buy it, you cannot buy this exact one unless you go pre-love, because Louis Vuitton no longer carry the one with the white lining. And in most of the videos that I've seen on YouTube, is everybody has it with the brown lining. I've seen some shorts with the white, but I haven't really seen anybody with the white one. Unboxing the white one, I see shorts. Sorry about the shaking, I just want to focus this. I see shorts about unboxing it, but I haven't really seen a full video. When I bought it, I was like, oh my god, let me come on YouTube and see if I can find a video. I haven't really seen a video on there with somebody unboxing it and doing like a full set review on this. So I thought, why not? So usually, oh, sorry about the shaking. So you see it has like 2 D-rings on this side right here. Sorry. Okay. So usually I think the top is where you put the chain strap, and then the bottom you put the big white strap on there, the crossbody strap. I just think this bag is so unique. I love this bag. I think the first channel that I saw this bag was on Amelia Rose. I think is it Amelia Rose Closet or something like that. And she has the brown one with the, she has the monogram with the brown leather. And she just raved about this bag. She said it's one of like her most used bag. So I've been watching those videos and everything just to, to see. And I know Fumi Ford, she bought hers recently as well, and she loves it. So I think this is such a unique one, and I love the fact that it's not the brown one. So going back, if you want to buy this right now, the current retail with the brown leather is like $2,900. So after tax, it's over $3,000 for this. So this is the Papillon. They do have the regular Papillon, and then this is the trunk, but this is not hard though. It feel like it's really soft. It's like a soft, pliable thing, but it's thick. The canvas is very thick. That's one thing I can definitely say. The canvas feel really thick on the hand, and it looks so beautiful. Like, the only thing I really see is like a little darkening right here, which look like it's like maybe glue. So I do have like the wipe from Ever Deluxe. So I'm probably going to wipe down this, the whole bag, obviously, because anytime I buy like a pre-love bag, I always wipe it down with the Ever Deluxe wipe. I think they're just so good for bags. And that's how I clean my bags too, my canvas bags and everything. So this is it right here, guys. So first, I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it, but after seeing this, I think I am. I think I am going to keep it. The bag is beautiful. So I do see like a little blue on the inside right here on the white leather. There's a little blue right here, which really doesn't concern me because it's on the inside. But the inside actually look really good. Whoever had this kept it in really great shape. On the lining right here, there is a little, kind of like a little, let me see if I can pull it up, like a little thing on the piping right here, but it's not a significant like damage or anything that would deter me from me not to keep the bag. So as you guys can see, let's go over it again, because I'm going over it with you guys. And after I finish this video, I am going to give it a thorough investigation for the next one or 2 day max to see if I want to keep this bag. But leaning towards my very first impression, I think this bag is going to be in my collection. It is so unique. So like I said, if you wanted to buy this exact one with the white lining, you will have to get a pre-love. And with the pre-love, the full set is almost the same price as the retail one with the brown leather. This one, I was able to get it at way more than half off. And the reason why, because it didn't come with the chain strap, and it didn't come with like the little coin pouch, which is like a green. It's ugly. Okay, so I am okay with that. I think that one is made with felt material, the coin pouch. I don't care about that. The chain strap, I really don't care about that, because I have a lot of Louis Vuitton chain that I can use if I want to get that feeling. I think I even have on the same chain that actually come on this one. that I can just add to this and keep it moving. But I think this is so beautiful. I love the fact that the piping is not brown, instead it is white, so it gives it such a different contrast feeling. Like, it looks really, really, really good. And then this is the strap, like I was showing you. The only thing that I see on the leather strap is like little wrinkling right here, as you can see. I'm not sure if you can see it. You see, like right here, look like it's wrinkling, but hey, that's expected. But see the thick one. And I love the fact that they made the outside white and then the inside the canvas. I think it's so different. So like I stated, the regular one, the outside is canvas and then the inside is like a brown leather, whatever. But this one, it looked like they reversed it and then made the outside white and then the inside with the canvas. And this is treated though, so which is really good. So this is a treated, I think, cowhide leather or calf leather, something like that. When I go into full detail, you know, I'll probably do a review about this bag, but I think this is such a great deal. So I love the fact that the sticker is there, so I can actually be the first one to remove the sticker if I'm going to keep it. So, which is really good. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to do this quick unboxing of this new beauty coming to the Bags of Style family. So this is the Papillon, the Louis Vuitton Papillon trunk. Beautiful. And I love the S-lock closure. I think it's so unique. All right, guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.